Hello children, good morning to all of you. Welcome back. This is your mathematics class and we are studying percentage chapter. Two exercises we have solved. Today we are going to solve the third exercise. Okay, so see the questions. The first question is increase 375 by 4%. See how to solve. Question is saying increase 375 means you have to add something in 375 because when 375 will be increased the value will become more. It means 375 is added with 4% of itself. The meaning of this statement is increase 375 by 4% means 375 plus 4% of 375. Now solve it. 375 plus 4% means 4 upon 100 of means multiply into 375. Okay. 4 can divide 100 by 25 times. 5 dividing 25 by 5 times. 5 dividing 375. 5 into 7 35. 5 into 5 25. Okay. Now 5 can divide 75 by 15 times. That means you have 375 plus 15 means 390. When 375 is increased by 4%, it will become 390. Okay. See one more. Increase 90 by 2%. Again the same question. 90 is increased by 2% of 90. See how to solve. 90 plus 2% means 2 upon 100 of means multiply into 90. 90 plus, see 0 to 0 cancel. 9 into 2, 18 upon 10. 18 upon 10 means 1.8. When 10 divides 18, you will get 1.8. 90 plus 1.8 will be 91.8. Understood? When 90 is increased by 2%, you will get 91.8. Now see the third question. Decrease 36 by 16 into 2 by 3%. Here you have to decrease. In the case of decrease, we will subtract. Decrease 36 by this percent means 36 minus 16 into 2 by 3% of 36. Must write 62 into 2 by 3% of 36. If you do not write this, then your question and method will be wrong. Understood? Percentage is always taken from something. 16 into 2 by 3% of 36. Okay. Now solve it. 36 minus 3 into 6, 16. 48 plus 2, 50 by 3. Percent means 1 upon 100 of means multiply into 36. Now solve this one. 50 dividing 100 by 2 times, 2 dividing 36 by 18 times. This 3 can also divide 18. 36 minus 18 by 3 means 36 minus 6 because 3 dividing 18 by 6 times. 36 minus 6 is 30. That means when 36 is decreased by 16 into 2 by 3%, you will get 30. Now see question number 4. You have to decrease 65 by 4%. That means 4% of 65. Okay? 65 minus 4 upon 100 into 65. 5 is dividing 100 by 25 times. 5 dividing 25 by 5 times and 5 dividing 65 by 13 times. That means 65 minus 13 upon 5. Now solve and get your answer. When 5 dividing 13, 5 into 2 10, decimal 5 into 6 30. 65 minus 2.6 means 62.4. Understood? This type of subtraction you have studied in decimal chapter. So must revise that chapter also so that you can do it correct. Okay? When 65 is decreased by 4%, it becomes 62.4. Now pause the video and note down these questions. Okay, now see some more questions. The question number 5. Find a number which when increased by 10% becomes 66. That means in this question we have to find a number. So first suppose the number be x. Let the number be x. Now question is saying when number is increased by 10%, that means x plus 10% of x, because number is increased by 10% of itself and it becomes 66 means equal to 66. Now your equation is ready. Solve and get your answer. X plus 10% means 10 upon 100 of means multiply into x is equal to 66. X plus 10 upon 100 into x equal to 66. You can see 10 dividing 100 by 10 times. X plus x upon 10 is equal to 66. Now to solve it you have to take the LCM, because addition and subtraction of a fraction. See, this is a fraction. X plus x upon 10 is equal to 66. This is a fraction. So addition of fraction is always done by taking LCM. So here 10 will be the LCM. So if you take LCM 10, then x into 10 will be 10x plus here x will remain is equal to 66. Is this understood? 10 will be multiplied by x because there is no denominator. So 10 into x, 10x plus sign is written here. This 10 is divided by 10 coming 1. 1 into x is x. Okay? Now 10 plus 1 is 11x is equal to 66 into 10. Okay? So x is equal to 660 upon 11. That means 60, because 11 dividing 66 coming 6, 11 0 0. Okay? See the sixth question. Again find a number which when decreased by. That means in this question you have to decrease. So first suppose the number be x. Let the number be x. Now according to the question, number is decreased by 3.4% of x, then it becomes 483. Now solve it. X minus 3.4 upon 100 into x is equal to 483. When this decimal is removed, 1 0 will be increased in the denominator. It will become x minus 34 upon 1000 x is equal to 483. Again this is a fraction. Subtraction of fraction is done by taking LCM. That means here 1000 will be the LCM. So 1000 into x will be 1000x minus 34x will remain here. So it will be 34x is equal to 483. Now 1000 minus 34 will be 966x is equal to, this 1000 will be cross multiplied here, 483 into 1000. So x is equal to 483 into 1000 upon 966. Children, you can see that 483 can divide 966 by 2 times. 2 into 3 6, 2 into 8 16, 1 carry on, 2 into 4 8 plus 1 9. 483 dividing 966 by 2 times, and 2 divides 1000 by 500. That means the required number is 500. Okay. Now see the 7th question. The price of a fan increases from 3260 to 3749. See what is the question saying. Question is saying that price of a fan is rupees 3260. When the price is increased, then increased price becomes rupees 3749. Is this clear? Price of a fan is 3260 rupees. When price increased, it becomes 3749. Then question is asking, find the increased percent in its price. Find the increased percent. So first to find out what is the increase in price. This is the increased price. After increasing, the price has become this. So how much the price has increased? Increased price minus original price. When original price is subtracted from increased price, you will get how much the price is increasing. Okay. Now solve it. 9 minus 0 is 9. 14 minus 6 is 8. 6 minus 2 is 4. 489 rupees is the increase in price. Now question is asking, find the increase percent. So see how to find increase percent. Increase percent will be equal to increase in price upon original price multiplied by 100%. This is the method. Out of 3260, 489 is the increase. Then what will be its percentage? Solve and get your answer. You can see 0 is dividing 0 here. Then 2 into 1, 2 into 6, 2 into 3. 2 is dividing 326 by 163 times, and 2 is dividing 10 by 5 times. Okay. Now you can see 163 is dividing 489 by 3 times. 3 into 3 9, 3 into 6 18, 3 into 1 3 plus 1 4. 163 is dividing 489 by 3 times. So 3 into 5% is the increase percent, means 15%. Increase in price percent will be 15%. Okay. Now pause the video and note down it. Okay children, now see the last question of the day. On decreasing the price of a car by 6%, its value becomes rupees 249100. That means 2,49,100 rupees. Now question is asking, what was the original price of the car? So first suppose the original price of the car be rupees X. Okay, original price is rupees X. Now according to the question, the price is decreased by 6%, then it becomes rupees 249100. Now your equation is ready. Solve it. The price decreased by 6%, then it becomes 249100. Now solve and get your answer. X minus 6% means 6 upon 100x is equal to 249100. 100 is taken LCM, it will become 100x minus 6x upon 100 is equal to 249100. 100 minus 6 will be 94. This 100 will be multiplied here. Okay. So x is equal to rupees 249100 into 100 upon 94. Now solve this and get your answer. 94 is dividing 249100. See this. First take 2 times. 2 into 4 8, 2 into 9 18. 9 minus 8 is 1. 14 minus 8 is 6. 1 minus 1 is 0. This 1 will come down. Take it 6 times. 6 into 4 24. 2 carry on. Now it is 56. 11 minus 4 is 7. 10 minus 6 is 4. 5 minus 5 is 0. 1 0 will come down here. Now take 5 times. 5 into 4 20. 45 to 470. 1 0 is remaining here. So you will take it 0 times. That means 94 dividing this by 2640. So x is equal to 265000. That means 2,65,000. The price, original price of the car was 2,65,000 rupees. Okay. Your children, today percentage chapter is over. Must solve all the questions which I have taught you. And if any question is creating problem to you, then you can ask me. The questions, the type of questions which I have taught, only those type of questions will come in examination. Okay. I have given one assignment with this video. Must solve and send back it to me so that I can mark your attendance. Yes children, from your Google Sheet, from your assignment, we are marking your presentee. So must solve and send back to me so that we can mark you present. Understood? Okay. Bye.